Hello, I'm Michael Allen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be removing a 308 mixer valve and I'll be installing a single handle mixer valve. Please like, share, subscribe. This mixer valve is a 308 mixer valve. I would recommend this valve, very good valve. We're gonna remove this valve and we will be installing a single handle mixer valve, and we're actually making this bathroom user friendly for an elderly person. Just want to take out about 4 tiles from this wall here. So we'll be cutting down that line down to the floor, comes right back up. Before we do that, let us turn our water off, our supply line, both hot and cold. Get those valves off in off position, then we can take our handles off and start drilling our wall, taking our tiles off. So we actually taking our handles off now and our flanges. We're going to cut carefully, not damaging the tile on the outside. Just want to take about 4 tiles out, as you can see, and after which we drill all carefully to take that body of the 308 mixer out of this wall. We're going to install that single handle mixer valve roughly about 3 feet from the floor of the shower. This is the valve we are looking at. So we're going to cut our hot and we're going to cut our cold and then remove that valve, that body of that valve from the wall. And we carefully remove that body of the 308 mixer and then begin to. So preparation being done for our new valve. This valve has to install precisely because we want our flange to sit perfectly on that tile. So we have to be very careful with our measurements. Basically, you just got to put your mixer on and try to move your pipes, back and forth till you get that into the right position. Then you can do your mason work there when you think that you got that flange perfectly to sit on that tile. So we're actually doing a bit in here after installing those tiles, and now we are fitting our flange to make sure that our flange sits correctly on the tile, no space between. Then we now try our new valve to make sure that everything is done correctly. This is our shower. We are now installing this bit for our shower head, and that's going to hold our shower head in place. So we are going and we are now tightening up, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. I think it's very stylish mix, and I think I love the look. We also install a handrail there So this shower is actually boasting a handrail and its sliding doors, and it looks really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm Michael Allen and I'm out. Thanks for watching.